When you're working and you feel your foot them a cramp up.
There's a whole heap of veins start to come out on your foot.
You feel your hand them a cramp up.
A poor circulation. That
Poor circulation. Poor circulation. Poor circulation. Noni juice and bird pepper coming at you. Jamaican Farmers Hut.
Jamaican Farmers Hut.
Ready, we ready, and a gone, we gone. We are plant pumpkin and we are plant some corn. Yes, my people, welcome back to my channel. And please remember to like, share, and to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to see the next video coming out. Welcome back to the channel, my viewers. Yeah. If you're new here, my name is Everton. Don't forget to like, share, and to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Jamaican Farmers Hut. Right now, it's all about Noni juice. All right, I'm gonna make some Noni juice right now. I'm gonna show you how we prepare the Noni to get the juice. All right, so stick around. There's a lot more to come. All right. Yes, my viewers, it's all about Noni. Yeah, one of the fruit that when you drink this juice, it gets rid of cancer cell out of your body. You know what I mean? Yeah. It is very powerful. But there is a way to prepare the fruit to get the juice, alright? So stick around. I'm going to show you all the process. I'm going to go through all the process and show you how you can extract the juice from the Noni fruit, alright? Yeah. As you can see, that is a overripe one. There till it's overripe. Yeah. So from underneath the tree here. Ah, there's a nice lovely one here. Yeah. Keep on searching. Ah, yeah. Yes, my viewers, I have a pot of Noni here. Okay, alright. You just throw some water on them. And then you're going to put them out on the table to make them drain for a little while because you don't want to have them, put them in the pot, in the bucket with the water on it. So you're going to wash them, put them to drain. And then you pack them inside of a container for them to overripe. As you can see, this one is overripe. Find it underneath the tree. Yeah, this one is overripe also. So the juice is not gonna come out like that. So when you leave it and it overripe, well ripe, it start to drain. So after it overripe and drain off in the bottom of the bucket, then you throw it off after a certain time. Alright? So yes, that is how you get the juice. Don't squeeze it. Then you throw away the rest after you get the juice out. Alright, so I'm gonna show you how it done, what it can do, what it's good for, the benefit of Noni. There's a lot of benefit in Noni, alright? Noni juice, okay? Yeah, first thing first, get some water on it. Get some water on them. Yeah. Yeah, you don't have to give them an extra wash, you know. Yeah. Just give them a little stir off, get rid of all those dust off them, you know. Yeah. After you wash, you put them to drain for a little while. Get the water off. And then you're gonna put them into the container what they're gonna store in to overripe. Alright? Stick around. Okay, so after leave it here to drain for a little while. After draining, you're gonna put into the container you want it to stay into overripe for fermentation. It's gonna overripe and then drain all those juice in the bottom of the container. Alright, and then you can strain it and buckle it. Don't move the dial. Don't touch the channel. Don't move the remote. I will be right back. Yes, my viewers, as you can see, I'm inside the back of my yard here where I have a lot of Noni plant, a lot of Noni tree here inside the back of my yard here, so I make use of them. The Noni extract, the Noni juice, it is a very powerful juice. Yeah, it have a lot of benefit. Yeah, like it's good for pore circulation. You know, when you walk in and you feel your foot cramping up, yeah, and like, you know, your nature kind of gets slow up, like you don't want to have any nature anymore. Yes, the Noni, after extract the Noni, the juice from the Noni, yeah, after you get it put it into a bucket, make it overripe and drained, yeah, the extract, the juice, you're going to strain it off, put it into a buckle, and then you're gonna add some bird pepper to the buckle inside with the Noni juice. Leave it for 1 month. After a month you can drink it. Take a cork like every day. It is very powerful. Good for pore circulation. It's good for cancer. There's a lot of it's a all-purpose juice, the Noni juice, you know what I mean? So most people see the Noni and we're afraid of it, but trust me, it is a powerful juice. Yeah, the Noni juice, right? So when you add the bird pepper to it, it is very good for pore circulation. Yeah, you know, the blood is not circulating in your body. Yeah, the Noni juice and the bird pepper, it is very powerful. It is a very powerful medicine for the human body. All right, so yes, at Jamaican Farmers Hut, it's all about farming. All right, so right now, if you want to watch the next video, you can check this video up here, right here. Check this video right here. All right, seeing. So right about now, stick around. I'm gonna show you what's coming next with the Noni juice. All right. Okay, you can use a jug also. Yeah, for storage. Cut the top here, and I'm gonna, after putting the Noni, I'm gonna close it back, tie it into a plastic bag. All right. Put it down for a month to drain. All right. Yes, my viewers, that's it in the container. So I'm gonna tie it into a plastic bag and leave it for a month to overripe and then drain. All right. This is the extract. This is the juice from the Noni. All right. Okay. Yeah. These are the bird peppers, as you can see. Yeah. All right. So in a buckle like this, yeah, I'm gonna fold this buckle here. I'm gonna throw some more into it. It's about a pint. It's about a pint. All right. So the buckle like this, yeah, you need 4 bird pepper. Yeah. So you're just gonna use a fork or a knife to squeeze them. Squeeze it little, yeah. Then you throw it inside the buckle here. Put it down for a month. After a month, you can take a cork. Yeah. It's good for pore circulation. It prevents cancer from entering in your body. Yeah. Yes, my viewers, it's all about Noni juice. Yeah. So you pick the Noni off the tree. After pick the Noni, you give it a little rinse it off little, put it to dry. After dry, get all the water off. You pack them into a container, into a bucket or a jug. Yeah. Leave them into the jug or the bucket for 1 month to overripe and drain. After drain, you strain off the juice out of the container, and then you buckle it. So like a quart buckle, you can put 8 bird pepper into that. You just burst the pepper a little, drop them into the buckle, that's it. Leave it for a next month again. Yeah, after that you can take a cork full, just throw it in your mouth, that's it. Good for poor circulation. Yeah, it prevents cancer from entering your body. Yeah, it's a powerful juice. Yeah man, Noni juice. It's all about Jamaican Farmers Hut. My name is Ever Slick. And if you want to see a video about farming, you can watch this video here, or you can watch this video over here. My name is Ever Slick. Peace and wellness, and I'm out. Be careful what you eat, be careful what you drink. All right?